With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so our question is: a torsional pendulum consists of a solid disc connected to a thin wire. Alpha is equals to 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 per degree Celsius at its center. Find the percentage change in the time period between peak winter, that is 5 degrees Celsius, and the peak summer, that is 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what we have been given in the question, that a torsional pendulum consists of a solid disc connected with a thin wire, okay, whose coefficient of linear expansion is given to us is 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 5 per degree Celsius. Okay, and the wire is connected to the solid disc at its center. Okay, now we have to find the percentage change in the time period when the temperature is at the peak winter, that is 5 degrees Celsius, and at the peak summer, that is 45 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let the torsional constant of the wire be K. Okay, so let torsional constant of the wire is equals to K. Okay, so the time period for the pendulum, okay, the time period for the torsional pendulum is given as T is equals to 2 pi under root of I naught upon K. Correct? Where I naught is moment of inertia at temperature is equals to how much? 0 degree Celsius. Okay, now when the temperature, let us talk about the for peak winter. Okay, so peak winter, so the temperature falls to 5 degrees Celsius. Correct? So what will be the change in the moment of inertia is given as I is equals to I naught times 1 plus 2 times alpha delta T. Correct? So from here we get the moment of inertia at temperature of 5 degrees Celsius, that is I is equals to I naught into 1 plus 2 times alpha delta T. Correct? Now the initial temperature was how much? 0 degrees Celsius, and the final temperature was 5 degrees Celsius. So from here delta T comes out to be 5 degrees Celsius. Correct? So our moment of inertia at 5 degrees Celsius will be I naught into 1 plus 10 alpha. Correct? So what we can say is the time period at peak winter, let us suppose it as TW. Okay, let us suppose it as TW will be equals to 2 pi under root of I upon K. Correct? Now the value of I we have calculated, so it will be 2 pi under root of I naught into 1 plus 10 alpha divided by K. Correct? Let us suppose this is as equation number 1. Now talk about the peak summer condition. Okay, peak summer condition. Okay, so at the peak summer the temperature is how much? 45 degree Celsius. Correct? The initial temperature was 0 degrees Celsius. Now the change in the temperature from here, what we can say is how much? 45 degree Celsius. So the moment of inertia at 45 degrees Celsius comes out to be how much? I naught into 1 plus 2 times alpha delta T. Correct? So it will be I naught into 1 plus 90 del alpha. Correct? 90 alpha. Correct? Now so here from here what we can say is the time period of the torsional pendulum will be given as 2 pi under root of I at 45 divided by K. The value of I 45 we have calculated as under root of I naught into 1 plus 90 alpha divided by K. Let us suppose this is equation number 2. Okay, now take the ratio of the time period for the summer upon time period for the winter. So what we get is under root of 2 pi under root of I naught into 1 plus 90 alpha divided by k whole divided by 2 pi under root of I naught into 1 plus 10 alpha divided by k. So on solving this, we get the ratio of time period for the summer upon time period for the winter comes out to be under root of 1 plus 90 alpha divided by 1 plus 10 alpha. Okay, so substituting the value of alpha given to us as 1 plus 90 into alpha given to us is 2.4 into 10 raised power minus 5. Correct. So divided by 1 plus 10 into 2.4 into 10 raised power minus 5. So from here Ts upon Tw comes out to be how much? Under root of 1.00216 divided by 1.00024. Okay, now we have to calculate the percentage change. So the percentage change will be Ts upon Tw minus 1 into 100%. Okay, so it will be equals to under root of 1.00216 divided by 1.00024 minus 1 into 100%. Okay, so on calculating this, the percentage change comes out to be 0.0959%, or what we can say is percentage change will be equals to 9.6 into 10 raised power minus 2 percentage. Okay, so this is our required answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.